Yeah, listen. We fucked up.
All right. What's up? What's up? What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Dragonfly Mace. Back again with another video. Uh, ah, oh, uh, okay. Don't panic. Don't panic. Don't panic. Don't panic. Don't panic. All right, guys, listen. It's ugly. It's looking bad right now. The market is looking bad, right? And one could panic, right? One could panic. Um, First of all, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not an expert. I'm just a guy that stalks crypto. And I've been stalking crypto today and it has not been looking good. Which I don't understand. It's just been a crazy sell-off today. What is going on? But all right. We are in the last month of the third quarter. September is traditionally the worst month for crypto, right? But it's a thing. It's a thing today. Today was real bloody in the market. So for this video, what I want to do is I just kind of wanted to take a look at how things are looking right now. I want to take a look at the charts like I always do. We're going to specifically look at XRP. We're going to also take a look at Bitcoin. We're going to see what Bitcoin is doing. Bitcoin did bad today, right? This is the first time in a while that we've seen it under 110K, but it happens. It happens, right? So let's look at the charts, and then also let's go over to X. I want to see what the people are talking about on X. I love X. I'm gonna make this video short. I mean, it's not really much to talk about when it's not really performing well. So anyway, let's go. Let's go over to the charts. Looking at the charts right now, we are on the 4-hour chart. I'll take a look at the 4-hour chart, and then we're gonna take a look at the daily chart. Now, I was looking on the 4-hour chart. You see, it's trending down, right? Everything is dropping. It broke this support line here. Probably what time was it? Oh, yesterday it broke the support line. Going into the new day, right? At 11. That's when we broke around that time. And then it just stayed under, right? It stayed under the support. So I can't really say how low this thing is gonna go. I think September is probably gonna be a bloody month for XRP. I'm not understanding what's really going on. It's clear signs of market manipulation because XRP released some really good stuff today, some really good news, but the charts are doing what they want to do. Like always, the charts are going to do what they want to do. So take a look at the daily chart. On the daily, that bullish flag, I mean, it's still there. I mean, I think that it's still going to take off eventually. Not right now, but there's going to be some time, man. There's going to be some time. Again, like I said, September is traditionally one of those months where things can get a little ugly. Hopefully that's not the case this year, but we'll see. I can't tell you what to do, but I know what I'm doing is I'm going to take some profit here. It wouldn't be right if I didn't take profit, right? But again, keep a reserve, definitely keep a reserve, but just take a little bit and just sit on it, pause. But yeah, take a little bit in cash in just to be on the safe side here, right? So moving along, let's look at Bitcoin. Just look at Bitcoin. This drop on Bitcoin was crazy. Like it went from, in a matter of what was this, 10 days, it went from 124K, almost 125K, all the way down here to 109K, right? So looking at Bitcoin, As you can see, we are on the 15-minute chart here for Bitcoin. Swan dive. Look at this candle right here for Sunday. Oh man, look at that. And then from there, it just kept going. It broke resistance. It broke support. Like, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times it broke support at different levels. So I mean, I don't know. I wouldn't too much worry about it. I mean, there's so much going on right now with the US and the things that they're implementing when it comes to cryptocurrency. So I mean, right now it's a little shakeout. I mean, a sell off, and I wouldn't panic too much. You can protect yourself, take profits. I mean, but I wouldn't panic too much about this. This is a good time to buy. I mean, it may drop some more, and you have buying opportunities. So it's nothing too much panic about. So yeah. So I mean, everything pretty much followed Bitcoin. Bitcoin dropped, everything else dropped with it. You got Ethereum. Ethereum hit an all-time high. What was it, on the 24th? It hit an all-time high, and then it just swan dived. I mean, it's like, come on, man. Like, we were almost past 5,000. It almost hit 5,000, but it didn't go there. It stopped at like 4,959. It was like, gotcha. It almost had it. All right, let's look and see what's going on here. My favorite site here, Crypto Bubbles. Everything you see here, everything is red. I mean, everything is looking pretty weird right now. Bitcoin is sitting at 109K. Ethereum is at 4,405 at the time I'm making this video. XRP is sitting at $2.87. Market cap is at 171.19 billion. I mean, we're down for the day. We're down 5.3% for the week, 4.9% for the month. We're down 10%. For the year, we're still up. It's still up for the year. Still up 380%. Is it going to drop more? Possibly. There's possibly going to be another drop here. Maybe it'll get down to 260 or something. But I do feel, and this is my personal opinion, I do feel that it's going to drop some more, which I'm not understanding, because look at this news that was dropped on X, right? Brad Garlinghouse posted this. They have a card now. It's a credit card, which I talked about in my last video. It's the Gemini card, right? It just dropped today. Like, we had something posted by Gemini. It was a little promo for it, and it was saying that it was going to drop today, in which it did drop today. And I'm thinking, whoa, that's going to be some bullish stuff, right? But everything just took a swan dive. But that's the whole market right now. I can't really see this thing failing. Like, right now, it's looking pretty ugly right now. But, you can protect yourself, take profits if you want. If not, hold on to it, add more. You're going to have more buying opportunities. Now, people were a little worried when XRP crossed that $3 range, when it crossed that $3.20 range. And they're like, oh, dang, I'm not going to have no more buying opportunities. Now it's under $3, and you have the opportunity to just add more if you want. So this is not dead, right? Again, prepare yourself for next month. Next month is supposed to be, again, it's historically a bad month for crypto, but we'll see what happens, because there's rumor that the rates may get cut. So we may have a bullish month, a bullish last month of that third quarter, and then rolling into the fourth quarter. It's interesting because Jerome Powell Feds, they spoke and he hinted that, he may cut the rates, and it was bullish. Everything was bullish. Everything was started going up, and everybody was thinking, oh, we are so back. But after that, I don't know. So it could be market manipulation. It could be the market shaking people out and dropping the price a little bit so that people can buy in. And then as soon as September hit, everything shoots up. We don't know. It's one of those things you just be patient about. You just wait and see what happens. That's all we can really do right now. So let me come back to you all. So with that being said, I wanted to make this real quick. It's a little longer than I expected, but don't panic. Hang in there. Like I said, I took some profit. I'll probably take a little bit more. That's just me. I mean, then just try to buy into it later. We'll see. But also, I have a reserve of XRP, so I'm not too much worried about it. But it does look ugly. It looks bad. It looks really bad. But don't panic, people. Stay in the fight. Again, I can't see this thing failing with all the major news that dropped over the past couple weeks, and then all the partnerships. I can't see this thing failing. With that being said, people, I'm out. It is late. I am tired. And that's it. See you on the next one.